Okay, I'm coming to you from Maritime Park in downtown Bellingham. It's right in the middle of Bellingham's downtown, so it's super cool. It's like all the downtown buildings are around, and then boom, you have this crazy park right in the middle. The only thing crazier than this video, though, because I don't have my tripod or my selfie stick, is my hair. Look at that mess. Okay, here we go. And it's like December 11th, so it's the middle of winter, so that's why you can see still kind of looks like fall with all the leaves on the ground. But yeah, it's a little chilly, that's why I have a hat and some gloves on. It's not too bad, actually. It's like probably like 43 degrees or so, so not too bad. And again, this is the crazy thing. This is right in the middle of the downtown of Bellingham. So like you've got all the big shops and the big tall buildings and all that stuff, and then you've got this running right through the middle of the town here, which is just bonkers. I mean, this place is just thick with trees, and this is the winter, so everything should be, you know, it's not exactly as green as it normally is. This is just crazy. I have been on this trail in the summer, and it is so green. It's like walking through like a green tunnel in half the places. It's so dense with forest. It's really amazing and beautiful. See that little... Oh, there was a beaver. I just missed him. Big one too. Oh, there he is. Huge. There, look at that thing. Or, oh no, that's a sea lion. Whoa. That's a sea lion right in this water right here. Look at him. Wow. Okay, we're gonna stay on this for a second. Where'd he go? That was crazy. Okay, so this is... Oh, there he is. So this is obviously ocean water and not fresh water, but it looks like it's fresh water coming in, so... I don't know, maybe it's where the fresh water comes in and meets the... There he is right there. Maybe this is where the fresh water comes into the ocean and he just swam up. Yeah, there he is. That is crazy. Beautiful. Wow. Who would have thought you'd see a sea lion right in the middle of the downtown here? That's just crazy. Okay, we're gonna keep walking, but that's amazing. Yeah, he just keeps popping up there. Oh, he's coming right for these people. He's a big one. Hold on, we're gonna go back to him. He's showing his head again. Let's see if he'll show up. There he is. Right, where'd he go? Hold on a second. Come back up again now. Okay, we'll give it like one more second here. Okay, well, we'll leave him alone. Get back on the trail. Oh, he's right by me now. Let's see if I can catch a good view of him over here. Looks like he's going the same way we are. Might be showing up here somewhere. But he's coming upriver here with me. Okay, well. There's the end of this trail right here. Whoa. There's a big fish right there that just took off and startled me. Okay. That was crazy. Alright, we're gonna go back up the trail here. Oh, I'm seeing all kinds of stuff today. Birds and sea lions and a big old fish or something there that scared me. Although that could have been an, who knows, that could have been an otter or a beaver or something else. So how cool is this? We're up on this deck. Look how beautiful this is. And again, this is right in the heart of the downtown stuff. Like, it's just, it's crazy. Oh yeah, here we go. I could have came up the trail this way, but I decided to go closer to the water. But even up here, which is the normal trail, you can still see all the water there. So I guess I could have just stayed up here, but that's okay. All right, here we go. Looks like the trail splits here. Do I want to go right or do I want to go left? I think I'm going to stay by the water, so I'm going to go left. But look at this one, goes up pretty high up there, so maybe we'll do that some other time. Okay. Kind of cool. Shows you some stuff. You can hear the water is just raging right now. I don't know if you can see it down there. See if maybe we can get a little closer to that water here. Okay, there's another way back up to that trail I just didn't take, wherever that goes. Oh, here you go. There's some. We're gonna go this way. Oh, cool, got a big old bridge. And it is raging. Look at this. That is a lot of water. Big time volume. Crazy. I mean, I'm sure you can hear this, but that water is coming fast and furious. Beautiful. There's a nice view down here of where we just came. That's where that sea lion was down there. Boy, this is some hike right in the middle of town. Here's the welcome to Whatcom Creek. So this must be Whatcom Creek. Okay, but it's part of the Maritime Trail. Okay, so let's see. Which way we want to go? We can go this way, or we can go this way. I say we go up this way. Wow, that is spectacular. That is some kind of something. Look at that water. Boy, is it really coming down. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so here it is coming right underneath this tunnel. This is where people drive in downtown. They drive downtown here, and then look at this, just massive creek here. Looks like you can get to it from over there too. There's some stairs up to the downtown there too. But yeah, look at, there's the bridge right there that you walk to. We're gonna go up there real quick. Yeah. Okay, so there it is all down there where we just walked, that little bit. This beautiful park, beautiful scene is right in the middle of downtown Bellingham, which is right here. Here I am, back up just away from it. Just took a little break to go do that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you later. Don't forget to like or subscribe, please. Do both. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.